There are faceless channels making thousands of dollars every month. Some have millions of subscribers. And the crazy part is, most viewers have no idea who is behind them. No face, no camera, no personal brand, just content. So if you have been putting off YouTube because you don't want to be on camera, in the next few minutes, I will show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. But before we begin, this is exactly what you will learn in this video. I will show you how to create your YouTube channel correctly, how to choose a niche people already watch, how to find video ideas with proven demand, how to create videos without showing your face, how to package your videos for more clicks, and how to avoid the mistake that quietly kills most faceless channels. Now here is why you need to pay attention. Every step in this process built on the previous one. If you choose a wrong niche, finding good video ideas becomes harder. If you choose weak video ideas, even good editing won't save the video. And if you ignore the mistake we are going to discuss later, your channel can struggle even when you are doing everything else correctly. So don't just watch this video, follow the process from start to finish. Let's begin. Step 1. Create your channel. First, create your YouTube channel. Open YouTube, click on your profile picture and select Create Channel. Choose a name that matches your niche. Don't spend hours trying to find a perfect name. A good name is just enough. Next, upload a profile picture and a banner. Then write a simple description explaining what your channel is about. That's it. Your channel is now ready. Most beginners think that creating the channel is the hardest part, but it is not. Building a content system is where success actually happens. Step 2. Choose a niche. Before choosing a niche, you need to understand this. Most faceless channels don't fail because of good editing. They fail because they choose topics that people are not consistently interested in. Your niche determines who watches you, what video to bring, and how easy it is to grow. That's why successful faceless channels stay focused. Some beginner-friendly niches include motivation and discipline, AI tools, tech tutorials, finance and basics, storytelling and fact, and of course, YouTube growth. Now here is the mistake beginners make. They post about one topic today, a completely different topic tomorrow, and another random topic next week. The audience gets confused, the algorithm gets confused, and of course, growth slows down. Choose one niche, master it, and expand later. Step 3. Find video ideas with proven demand. Most beginners ask, what should I post? Successful creators ask, what are people already watching? And that's a huge difference. Go to YouTube and search your niche. Look for videos with strong view counts. Pay attention to topics that appear repeatedly. If multiple creators are making videos on the same topic, that's a sign of demand. Don't copy, study. Success lives close, so you follow them. Because the easiest audience to reach is the audience that is already looking for the content. Step 4. Write your script. Once you find an idea, turn it into a script. Keep it simple. Hook, problem, solution, and lesson. For example, why people fail at consistency. Start with a strong hook, explain the problem, provide a solution, and end with a lesson that the viewer can apply. Simple scripts perform better than complicated scripts because they are easier to follow. Remember, confused viewers leave, clear viewers stay. Step 5. Create a voiceover. At this point, most beginners think visuals matter most. They don't. Audio is often more important. People can tolerate average visuals, but they rarely tolerate bad audios. So create a voiceover using your own voice or a natural AI voice. Both can work. Focus on being clear, speak with energy, and avoid sounding robotic. Because if people can't follow your message, they will leave. Step 6. Add visuals without showing your face. Now bring the script to life. This is where faceless content becomes powerful. Use stock footage, screen recordings, animations, images, and AI-generated visuals. Every major point should have something relevant on screen. Your visual should support the message, not distract from it. Remember, people listen with their ears, but they stay with their eyes. Step 7. The mistake that kills most faceless channels. Remember when I said there was one mistake that quietly kills most faceless channels? This is it. Poor retention. You can choose a great niche, create a great video, and design a great thumbnail. But if people leave after 20 or 30 seconds, YouTube has no reason to keep recommending your content. Retention is YouTube's way of measuring satisfaction. The longer people stay, the stronger the signal. That's why successful creators constantly focus on keeping viewers engaged. Remove long pauses, cut unnecessary introductions, get to the point faster, change visuals regularly, use stories and examples, create curiosity, give viewers a reason to keep watching. Attention is the most valuable currency on YouTube, so you protect it. Step 8. Create a thumbnail and title. Now package your video. Ask yourself, would I click this? Your title should promise a clear benefit. Your thumbnail should spark curiosity. Together, they determine whether someone clicks. Even the best videos struggle if nobody clicks on it. So don't treat packaging as an afterthought. Treat it as part of the content. Step 9. Upload your first video. Now it's time to publish. Add title, write a description, upload a thumbnail, double check everything, then hit publish. At this point, most beginners become obsessed with views, but you shouldn't. Your first video is not about going viral. It's about gaining experience. Every upload teaches you something. That's how creators improve. Step 10. Repeat the process. This is where successful creators separate themselves from everyone else. Most people upload once, get discouraged and quit. Successful creators do something different. They repeat the process. Create, upload, learn, improve, and repeat again and again. Not because every video succeeds, but because every video teaches them something and those lessons compound over time. In fact, your first video probably won't be perfect. Neither was the first videos of the channels you admire today. The difference is they stayed consistent long enough to improve. That's a real advantage. Not talent, not luck, but consistency. You don't need a camera, you don't need to be famous, you don't need a permission. You just need to start. Create the channel, publish the first video, learn from the result, and keep moving forward. Because every successful faceless channel started exactly where you are right now, with a single upload.